As men cross the milestone of 50, life enters a new chapter filled with wisdom, experience, and maturity. Yet, for many, this age also brings unexpected challenges, restless nights, low energy, declining stamina, and a noticeable dip in vitality. The truth is, our bodies undergo natural changes with age. Testosterone production slows, muscles take longer to recover, and deep, restorative sleep often becomes elusive. These shifts can affect not only physical health, but also confidence, motivation, and overall quality of life. It's no wonder so many men over 50 find themselves searching for simple yet powerful ways to restore their strength, regain their vigor, and sleep like they once did in their youth. The surprising fact is that sometimes the answer isn't found in complicated routines, expensive supplements, or extreme lifestyle changes. Instead, it can come down to just one essential nutrient, a single vitamin, in that, when taken at night, has the power to influence potency, revitalize energy, and promote the kind of deep sleep that repairs the body from within. This is not about magic pills or overnight transformations, but about giving the body what it truly craves to function at its best. Imagine waking up after a full night's rest feeling refreshed, with renewed drive and stamina that carry you through the day. Imagine reclaiming the sharpness of your mind, the endurance of your body, and the calm confidence that comes from knowing your health is in balance. For men over 50, this isn't just a dream. It's achievable with the right knowledge and consistent action. In this guide, we're going to uncover how one specific vitamin, intaken before bed, can be a game changer. You'll learn how it impacts your hormones, supports healthy circulation, strengthens immunity, and helps the brain and body slip into deeper stages of restorative sleep. Most importantly, you'll discover how this small nightly habit can help reignite your inner vitality and enhance not only your nights but your entire lifestyle. So, if you're a man over 50 who wants to reclaim energy, power, and restful sleep, stay with me till the end. What you're about to learn could be the turning point in how you feel, perform, and age gracefully, with strength, passion, and lasting vitality. When men reach their 50s, the body sends signals that can no longer be ignored. You notice the little things first: tiredness that lingers even after a full night's rest, evenings where you long for energy but instead feel sluggish, and moments where mental clarity isn't as sharp as it once was. You might brush it off, thinking it's just part of getting older, but deep inside there's a quiet frustration. You remember the man you once were, full of energy, staying up late without consequence, waking early with a clear mind, and carrying the kind of stamina that made you unstoppable. Now it feels as if that man is still there, hidden behind the fog of fatigue, stress, and restless nights. What many men don't realize is that the body is not failing them. It is simply lacking the nourishment it desperately needs to function at its peak. After 50, nutrient absorption declines, hormones fluctuate, and stress hormones like cortisol remain elevated longer than they should. All of this leads to disrupted sleep, diminished potency, and reduced vitality. But when you supply your body with the right vitamin at the right time, you unlock the ability to restore balance and reignite the engine of your health. And one vitamin, in particular, has shown the ability to profoundly impact not just sleep, but energy, hormonal balance, and overall performance: magnesium. Magnesium is often called the man's mineral because of its wide-ranging impact on male health. Unfortunately, most men over 50 are severely deficient in it, largely because modern diets lack the mineral, rich foods our ancestors once enjoyed. Processed foods, stress, alcohol, and even certain medications drain magnesium reserves, leaving the body unable to carry out essential functions. Magnesium plays a crucial role in over 300 biochemical processes in the body, many of which directly influence sleep quality, testosterone levels, and muscular strength. At night, magnesium works its quiet magic by calming the nervous system. It helps reduce cortisol, the stress hormone that keeps your mind racing at night, and encourages the production of melatonin, the sleep hormone that signals your body it's time to rest. Instead of tossing and turning, magnesium helps you sink into deep, restorative stages of sleep, the kind where growth hormone is released, muscles repair themselves, and the brain clears away toxins. Men who consistently take magnesium before bed often describe the experience as waking up refreshed, with a noticeable boost in energy and mood, as if the body has pressed a reset button. But magnesium's influence doesn't stop at sleep. For men over 50, one of the greatest struggles is maintaining potency and vigor. Testosterone naturally declines with age, and with it, energy, confidence, and performance can dip. Magnesium has been linked to supporting healthy testosterone levels by reducing oxidative stress and improving blood flow. With better circulation, not only does the body feel more alive, but the very systems that power male potency are strengthened. Many men report that after restoring magnesium levels, they notice renewed drive and endurance, as if a dormant spark has been reignited. Another overlooked benefit is magnesium's impact on the heart and muscles. At 50 and beyond, cardiovascular health becomes more critical than ever. Magnesium relaxes blood vessels, supports steady heart rhythm, and helps regulate blood pressure. It ensures muscles, including the heart, function smoothly and without strain. For men who want to stay active, whether it's walking, exercising, or simply enjoying time with family, magnesium acts as a silent protector, keeping the body resilient. The story of magnesium is not just science, it's real life. Imagine a man named David who, at 55, found himself struggling with restless nights. He often woke up around 2 or 3 a.m., staring at the ceiling, unable to return to sleep. His days were filled with fatigue, and he began noticing a lack of interest in activities he once loved. His doctor told him that his sleep troubles were normal at his age, but deep down, David knew there had to be more to the story. One evening, while reading about natural ways to improve sleep and energy, he discovered magnesium. Skeptical at first, he decided to try a high-quality magnesium supplement before bed. Within 2 weeks, David noticed he was falling asleep faster, staying asleep longer, and waking with a clarity he hadn't felt in years. Within months, his energy improved, his mood stabilized, and even his confidence in his relationships was reignited. Stories like David's are not rare. They are becoming more common as men realize the hidden power of this single nutrient. The beauty of magnesium is in its simplicity. You don't need complicated routines, expensive treatments, or radical lifestyle changes. Just one vitamin, intaken at the right time, night, can bring profound changes to how you sleep, how you feel, and how you age. But it's important to understand that not all forms of magnesium are equal. Many men take cheap magnesium supplements that pass through the body without being absorbed. The key is choosing bioavailable forms such as magnesium glycinate or magnesium citrate, which are better absorbed and gentler on the stomach. Taking it at night allows magnesium to do its best work when your body is naturally winding down, setting the stage for restorative sleep. Consistency is the secret. Just as you wouldn't expect one workout to transform your body, one night of magnesium won't change your life. But when you commit to it daily, the compound effect begins to show. Night after night, your body repairs itself more deeply. Day after day, your energy gradually rises. Week after week, you notice more strength, better mood, and improved performance. It's the small habit that creates big results. For men over 50, magnesium is more than just a vitamin, and it's a tool for reclaiming life. It gives back what time seems to have taken away, the ability to sleep deeply, to wake up energized, to feel strong in body and mind, and to live with confidence. The power to age vibrantly isn't about resisting change. It's about supporting your body with the nutrients it truly needs. Think about how different your life could feel if sleep became your ally again. No more waking in the middle of the night with racing thoughts. No more dragging through the day with heavy eyes. No more wondering where your energy has gone. Instead, imagine laying your head down at night, feeling your body relax into calmness, and waking in the morning with vigor, ready to take on the world. This is not wishful thinking. It is a reality that many men over 50 have already rediscovered through magnesium. The truth is, age is just a number. Yes, the body changes, but with the right support, you can continue to feel strong, energetic, and full of life well into your later years. You don't have to settle for restless nights or fading vitality. One vitamin, taken with consistency and intention, can help you write a new chapter, one filled with potency, vigor, and the deep, healing sleep your body craves. The man you used to be, the man full of energy, strength, and confidence, is not gone. He's simply waiting to be revived. Magnesium may just be the key that unlocks him once again. As we come to the close of this journey, let's take a moment to reflect on the deeper message behind it all. Life after 50 is not about decline. It is about transformation. It is a time when you have the wisdom of experience, the strength of character, and the clarity to know what truly matters. Yet none of this feels complete if your body is tired, your nights are restless, and your energy fades too quickly. The truth is, every man deserves to wake up each morning feeling alive, strong, and ready to face the day with confidence. And the path to that reality may be far simpler than you imagined. One vitamin, taken at night, can make all the difference. Magnesium isn't a miracle pill, but it is the missing piece for so many men struggling with sleep, energy, and vitality. By calming the mind, supporting testosterone, improving circulation, and restoring deep sleep, it gives your body what it has been craving all along, the chance to recharge and rebuild. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity. No drastic diets, no exhausting routines, no overwhelming commitments. Just a single step that, when repeated consistently, creates a ripple effect through every part of your life. Think about it. With better sleep, you regain mental clarity, sharper focus, and improved mood. With more energy, you enjoy your days instead of dragging through them. With stronger vitality, you feel more confident in your body, your relationships, and your purpose. These are not small changes. They are life-changing transformations that allow you to thrive in the years ahead. So tonight, when you prepare for bed, consider what your body has been missing. Give yourself the gift of this one simple habit. It's never too late to reclaim your vigor, to sleep deeply, and to live with the strength and vitality that define true manhood. Age may be inevitable, but how you feel, how you move, and how you live, that is in your control. Remember this, the man you want to be is still within you. All he needs is the right fuel to come alive again. One vitamin at night may be the key to unlocking that version of yourself, potent, vigorous, and fully alive.